How to succeed in career. Let's learn about it. Tips for the career success. 21 tips to help you find the success in a career. True, everyone defines success differently. Many define career success as the moment when you find the utmost enjoyment in your work. If you have yet to find success in your career, there are many ways to help you achieve this. In this article, we explain the benefits of finding success in your career and list 21 tips to help you find the success in your career. Related, how to be successful, the ultimate guide. Related, jobs. Why is it important to find success in your career? Find success in your career provides you with several personal and professional benefits. Here are some reasons why it is important to find the success in your job. Greater job satisfaction. When you feel like you are doing well at your job, you are more apt to look forward to coming to work. Therefore, finding success in your career can help you find more enjoyment in what you do each day, essentially increasing your job satisfaction. Improved mood. When you have achieved some levels of success regarding your career, it can create a sense of pride. Having this sentiment boosts your confidence, your happiness, and your overall mood. Higher salary. When your employer or manager recognizes your success, they are more apt to offer you a raise. An increased salary can make it easier for you to afford your daily life expenses and pay off your debt. What are 21 tips to succeed in a career? As you make your way through your career, look for ways to help you achieve your goals. The more goals you achieve, the greater success you will have. Here are 21 tips to help you succeed in your career. First one, choose the right career. Whether you are just entering the workforce or you are already established in your career, make sure you have chosen the right profession. Consider whether you can see yourself doing your job every day. Your job needs to line up with your personality, your interests, and your values. If you can't determine whether you have chosen the right career, consider taking a self-assessment test that can match you to a career based on your answers to various questions. You can also consult with a career counselor or do your own extensive research regarding a particular occupation and its specific details, including its duties, earnings, and job outlook. Second one is to make your own career choice. Your family and friends may have a lot of opinions when it comes to your career. While it is nice to get their input, make sure the career you choose makes you happy. Make sure that you are choosing it for you and not because someone told you to. Though your friends or family mean well, your career needs to be a personal decision since it affects your life for years to come. Determine how to measure success. Everyone has a different definition when it comes to success. For example, while some people may define it in relation to the size of their paycheck, others may define it as the feeling they get when they receive praise from their supervisor. Since your career success aligns with whether you have met your own career goals rather than someone else, take the time to determine how you define success so you can recognize it more easily when you achieve it. Own up to your mistake, then ask for help, reflect on your achievements, establish a strong work ethic, Stay positive, improve your skill, anticipate what your employer needs. Know you can change careers. Listen to those around you. Take initiative. Evaluate your performance. Identify your strengths. Embrace the learning. Actively communicate. Grow your network. Use the helpful feedback. Gain the trust. Find solutions. And there we go.